No, I don't. I don't see it. I see a fucking cloud where an airplane was or a jet.
Well, the jet's got a motor on it, right?
Yeah, I know that because that's how they fly through there. You fucking moron.
They got the aerodynamics.
No, I thought they flew like dumbass.
But anyway,
God.
they got a rocket on it, and it makes the turbulence. Well, actually, turbulence is when it rocks.
This motherfucker making shit up as he goes like turbulence. Motherfucker, that ain't even a word, B.
Yeah, it is.
What? Turbulence, spell it.
T-U-R-B-O-L-E-N-C-E.
That ain't even it, dude.
Yeah, that's turbulence.
You wanna call my mom?
Call her. And like, what makes a jet move? She'll be like, a jet moves by airflow.
Airflow. Motherfucker,
No,
I thought you just said it was the motor, not the airflow through the motor. You just said the motor makes it move.
Well, see
exactly. You're not making it move.
You see the jet stream?
Yes, I see. No, dude, I just thought it was a fucking cloud that was straight,
there's a
dumbass.
jet stream.
Where?
There and right over there. Well,
Dude, I have a headache because of you, man. Shut the fuck up.
well, the jet's got a rocket on it, and it makes it go.
Dude, how many times have we done that? Or is it like more like?
No, it's like.
Oh, all right.
And the smoke comes out from the back, so then you know where they're at. They're moving so fast that they make clouds come from behind them.
Like that.
Because you know what? Those clouds coming from the front, man. They're fucked up. They're fucking retarded.
They just put it in reverse.
You can't go in reverse. That ain't funny, dude. Which way you going? Well, I just figured out how to put this damn thing in reverse. How'd you do that? I don't know. I thought these things couldn't move. No, dude, they move backwards. Well, if you flip it upside down and go the opposite direction, you're going right through the jet stream. So, technically, yeah, you're going backwards.
Help! He's an idiot.
Dude, have you ever done a barrel roll?
Oh my God.
No, you know what you do, right?
Yeah,
you put
you
yourself in a barrel and you roll.
Oh my God, dude! Why didn't we just put you in a Special Olympics for like
That's Jake.
dumbassness?
That's Jake or is that Antoine?
I think that's Antoine. He was walking like a fucking pigeon, like.
Hey guys, wait up, man! I'm gonna run catch up.
I love when that motherfucker runs, dude. It's exactly like that too. Straight up, he's like, "Hold on, guys, hold on." He's got his fucking hands flapping. Hey, no, hey. No, you can't forget about the hand swing. It looked like he was getting ready to take off the side of the dinosaur. He just doesn't get fast enough like a jet to fucking hop off the half fly.
If I could, I would.
I'd fly the fuck out of here. I'd be looking over my house and be like, bitch! I'd fly over Iowa Falls. Like, this was a big mistake moving here.
No?
No, I don't know what the fuck that was.
No, it's a seagull.
It was a seagull? You one ugly ass seagull.
Where's your?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I know, dude. Yeah, I know, right?
I know, right?
Hey,
What?
let's see if they can contract to each other. Contract each other through your brain.
Ow, dude, that fucking hurts. Dude, not even kidding. Try it, dude. Like, you can feel a pulse. Ow, dude. You can feel a pulse.
Oh! No, you don't.
Yeah, you do, dude. Dude,
You're just retarded because you can feel a pulse.
How
means
the fuck did I end up with these, dude? I want to hold on.
You just have to, let me see him, so I get me.
Dumbass.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Fuck, I ain't carrying these, man. Free speakers, man.
Can I throw them in the river? Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Word.
Well, they suck anyways. We got 5 better ones.
I want to throw one, man.
Oh, you throw one at me.
Alright. The speakers are a piece of shit anyways, you know.
Yeah, well, let's see a retard throw a speaker. Fucking not let go.
Fucking doing the Air Jordan out the fucking Wrigley.
You guys are great.
And then my dad goes, let's go.
Well, your retarded ass son tried to throw a speaker off the
And
side of the
then-
fucking river and didn't
and
let go.
He wore metal on his fingers and it's like,
No, I just say you forgot to let go because that would be something.
yeah, that would be me. Let's do it.
Oh, no.
I gotta make sure I gotta do it over this tall fence.
No, I want to go to the bridge.
If it's over the bridge, then I'll go with it.
Well, that's why you let go. I'll do it first so you know what you're supposed to do.
I'll let go. I'm not. Wait.
On the count of 3, we're going to launch this. We gotta get it on video though.
Right.
If anybody wants these, they can just go to the bottom of the river. It should be down there in a couple months. Hold on, no, don't. Don't throw it yet.
Fuck, there's my dad. Let's go the opposite direction.
Dude, oh my god, no, dude. We just went 10 bucks
Okay.
because of gym.
Over.
I bet we just polluted.
Let me wear your jacket.
No.
So he doesn't recognize me.
Okay.